Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to find your Minecraft world seed. Okay, first things first, open up your Minecraft Packet Edition app. Here, if you have a created world that has a nice world generation and you want to know its seed, then this tutorial is perfect for you. You can find the seed for any of your save worlds in the latest version of Minecraft PE. Return to the main menu and press the play button. This will open a list of all of your save worlds. Tap the edit button in the upper right corner and then look underneath the file size for the world you want to share. You will see a set of characters and this is the seed for your world. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make so we can help you. And that's it. You can find your Minecraft world seed. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.